A very good morning, my dearest friends. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your home with full safety. Okay, now we had completed question and answers of this chapter fluff. Yes or no? Yes, we had completed this question and answer, short answer questions like read and answer, think and answers, reference to context, and what's question in our last class. So today we will start the exercises of this lesson. Okay, so the first exercise, which is listen to the sentences, write the number of the sentences that match each picture. Listening text on page number 156. So first of all, let's open page number 156. So student, here you can see this is page number 156, and this is something written about chapter 6 fluff. So you all have to read whatever is written here, and you should have to complete this exercise. You just have to number, write proper number in each box, in the 4 boxes. Okay, so this is your homework assignment for your home that you all have to do by yourself. Okay, so let's move to the another exercise, grammar section. Simple past tense. Here simple past tense, where we use did and did not. Simple past tense means, do you know past tense means? In simple language I want to tell you that past tense means something that happened, यानी कि जो पहले हो चुका है, कुछ ऐसा जो पहले हो चुका है, जो बीत चुका है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call it past tense. So here read this question: did the toys hate Diana and David? Answer: yes, they did. Question: did Diana and David keep their toys properly? Answer: no, they did not. Here did, word did is used. Why? Because whatever is written that happened on past, this sentence is past tense. Now here you can see some more words, more sentences. Some we use did to ask question. Where we use did? We use did to ask questions. We also use did to indicate a positive answer in the past. If there is something positive answer of past, we use did there. वहाँ हम did use करते हैं in positive answer in the past. We use did not to indicate negative answer in the past. अगर negative है something, if any sentence is in negative way, then we use did not. Okay, given below is a shopping list Ankush mother gave him. Read it carefully. Shopping list: 2 cakes of soap, 1 newspaper, 6 bananas, 2 pencils, 1 notebook, 1 pen, 1 sharpener, 1 tube of toothpaste. So as you can see here some pictures, and what is this written here? These are the things Ankush bought from the market. So these things Ankush bought from the market, but Ankush did not buy some of the things. Okay, so he bought this notebook, yes. He bought 2 cakes of soap, yes. He bought this 2 pencils, yes. He bought 1 tube of toothpaste. Okay, so we have to write in a sentence that what he did not buy from the market. So first sentence is he did not buy 1 newspaper. So how will we write? Let me write that sentence here, and you all have to write this exercise in your notebook. As you can see, first one I've written already. He did not buy 1 newspaper. He did not buy 1 newspaper. And in second, it will be same like this what I have written here. He did not buy 6 bananas. Okay, and in third, he did not buy 1 pen. And in fourth, he did not buy 1 sharpener. You all have to complete this exercise, the rest of the 3 questions by yourself. Okay, now move to the next exercise. So here you can see Sana did something on Saturday shown by tick. She did not do something shown by cross. Look at the picture and answer the question. We have to look at the picture and the tick also, and we have to give the answer of that question which are given in next page. Here you can see some cross in some pictures and tick in some pictures. So question is, did Sana get wet in rain? Yes, Sana get wet in rain. Sorry. Yes, Sana did get wet in rain. You can see here the tick, and Sana is getting wet on rain. Sana is studying. So next question is, did Sana study? Yes. So answer will be like, yes, Sana did study. Okay, I hope you can write it. Yes, Sana did study. Let me write on the first one. Rest of the question you all have to do. Now you can see, yes, Sana did study. The answer is. And next question, did Sana play in the park? Did Sana play in the park? Cross. We can see cross here now. So what is the answer? No, Sana did not play in the park. How will we write answer? So you can see the answer also here. No, Sana did not play in the park. The answer of this second question. Okay, now third is, did Sana hit the dog? Can you see? Cross. No, Sana did not hit the dog. I hope you can write the answer by yourself. Number fourth is, did Sana ride a horse? You can see the cross over here. So answer will be like, no, Sana did not ride the horse. Number fifth, did Sana go for her dance class? Tick. So answer is yes, Sana went for her dance class. Now you can see the answer of this question number fifth. Yes, Sana went for her dance class. Now I hope you understood this exercise and you can do this exercise by yourself. So you all have to complete this exercise. Now next exercise is learn new words. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So we should have to complete this exercise. I dash medicines. So what will come here? Hate. I know that you all hate medicines. I dash ice cream. I know that you all love ice cream. I also love ice cream. Okay, so you all have to tell me which flavor you all like most. Okay, now next is, I am sure he's going to dash. So what is the answer? I'm sure he's going to win. Next is, there is no chance that he's going to dash. So opposite of win is lose. Number fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Like this you have to write now. First blank, second blank, third blank, fourth blank, and fifth blank. Here, Amit is dash, but his grandfather is dash. So what will come here? Amit is young. So number fifth is young. Amit is young, but his grandfather is old. Now next is, you may take this book. Yes, take is right answer. You may take this book, don't give it to him. Take this book and don't give it to him. Your shoes are dash. Your shoes are dirty. An answer will be here. The second fill in the blank. In second fill in the blanks, what will come? The opposite of this word, dirty. Your shoes are dirty. Go and clean them. Okay, I hope you all had completed this exercise. It is very good. You all have to complete this exercise and all the exercises which I have given you in your notebook. It's important. Next exercise is complete these words using any or en. Oh, it's very simple. I guess you all can do this exercise by yourself. So this one is for your homework. Okay. B-O-N-E or E-N? G-O-L-D. N-E or E-N? What will come here? Okay, in these blanks. You all should have to complete this exercise in your notebook. So student, that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, complete your work, complete your all the assignments which I give you, and send me. That's all for your today's class. Bye bye.